19 scarlet roses the chaplain spread around in the waters of Burrard Inlet in old Vancouver town, where the bridge came tumbling down. When the bridge came tumbling down, 19 men were drowned in June of 1958 in old Vancouver town. There were 79 men working to build this brand new bridge, to span the second narrows and connect up with the ridge, till a big wind hit the bridge, and the bridge came tumbling down, and 19 men were drowned, and the medical corps couldn't be too sure of the rest of the men they found. In among the twisted girders, one man realized how last night he'd been dreaming, and saw before his eyes the big wind on the rise, and the bridge came tumbling down, and 19 steel men drowned, and he saw the fright of the darkest night in old Vancouver town. With frogmen in the water, by the cutting torches' glow, they fought to save the steel men from certain death below, and pain we'll never know. When the bridge came tumbling down, and 19 men were drowned, and 60 more that came ashore, so thankful they were found. It often makes you wonder, in strength who has the edge, the longest steel beam structure that spans the highest ridge, or the men that built the bridge. For the bridge came tumbling down, and 19 men were drowned, but the other men came back again to lay the new beams down. Now if you're ever crossing this mighty bridge sublime, and 19 scarlet roses pass before your mind, remember and be kind. The bridge came tumbling down, and 19 men were drowned, so you could ride to the other side of old Vancouver town. So you could ride to the other side of old